Watching Bryce Future TV. Yes, I am here again with another update. Sorry. Anytime I'm here, I come with updates and then share with you to let you know what is going to happen or what is about to go down in the country where you found yourself. So, this particular video is going for those who already have documents and those who don't even have documents, those who have gotten negative and they are appealing, those who are also those who are also about to go to commission to get their document. This video is just for you guys all, those who already have it, those who don't have document, those who are going to commission, okay, those who are on appeal. This particular video is for you. It is coming straight from the court. Yes, so stay right here. Let me know. You can drop a comment. Let me know if the sound is clear, the video is clear. Let me know if all is well with the video. Then we can start this video right now. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to read. In fact, I have what the court published. I have it here on my phone, so I will read it to you all. Good evening, Isa. How are you doing? Guys, please let me know if the sound and network is clear, and then we get started. And then as soon as you come, make sure you share this information for our brothers and sisters. It is very, very important. Yes, share it. Share the video. You can put the video on your Facebook, your own Facebook. You can put it on your WhatsApp status. Somebody will definitely gain information from it. Timothy, good evening. He said network is very nice. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, let's go. Now, the Italian High Court has published something which is a bit dangerous. Yes, very, very dangerous for those who do this kind of things that the court is saying. Now, let me read what the court says. It says that Italian constitutional courts approve harsh penalties for fake staying permits. Okay. Now, this is number one. Pay attention. We'll get to step by step. There are people who come to Italy, okay, and then they fake their staying here. What do the court mean fake their staying here? Many migrants who have documents will say, okay, I have done this in my country and the police are looking for me. I don't want to go into details. So please, I want you all to understand how I will put the video or how I will put my words. I want you all to understand, okay? Good. You say, me, I have done that, I have this, I have done this, I have done that. So I need the Italian government to protect me because I can't go back to my country, or because of what what has happened to me in my country, the government need to help me to stay here. That is what it means, that there's going to be a harsh punishment for those who fake their staying. Now, let's go into duties. According to the decision published on this March 7th, this was published on March 7th in Italy here from the High Court. Okay. The Constitutional Court has ruled that it is within the Constitution to issue tough sentence to those who obtain resident permit by presenting a forged document. Bro, this is where we need to pay attention. I am taking this place again. It says that according to the decision published on March 7th, the Constitutional Court has ruled that it is within the Constitution to issue tough sentence to those who obtain resident permit by presenting a forged document. There is a law in Italy that guarantees a tough sentence or a tough punishment. When something is tough, means big one. Okay, guys, click the like button and share this video. I don't want anybody to lose this video. If you are an immigrant or asylum seeker, you already have documents or you don't even have, please share this video to our people, our brothers and sisters out there, in order for them to escape this problem. Now, I am going to break it down for you to understand. There are people who present fake documents. For example, when they go to commission and then they give them negative and say, okay, bring a proof. They know how they do their things, okay, in their country where they are coming from. Okay, so when they bring that proof, then the judge or the commissioner will stand on that and say, okay, well, he has brought the proof. Then, they will give the person document to stay in this country. These are the things they are talking about. There are people who present fake identity from their country. My name is this, but meanwhile, his name is not that. Okay, these are also a fake identity or fake document. Okay, there are some people who also forge their marriage in their country. Then they request a marriage certificate from their country. Okay, then they bring it here and then they exchange it with the Italian one to present that him and her wife or whatever they have married. This one is also a fake one. So the court is now going after all these things. I am going to take my time to break it down so that you will understand all angles. Okay, good. Now it says that the Constitutional Court ruled on March 7th that the failure to provide in Italy immigration law for reduced sentence for those who only use forged documents to obtain resident permit without having materially committed for forgery is not unconstitutional. The issue at the center of the court, sentence number 27, had been raised by the preliminary investigation judge, the GIP, in the northern city of Venice. The Constitutional Court said in a statement about the case, cases of foreign citizens with forged documents. The main trade counsel to the cases of foreign citizen who has presented a forged certificate to obtain the Italian permit. Okay, in the Italian language, Central Police Department, in order to obtain a long-term resident permit for non-EU citizens. During a fast-track trial, the preliminary investigation judge asked the Constitutional Court whether it was a fact legitimate for the immigration law to provide for a person term of 1 to 6 years for both those who had materially forged the document and those who had only used it. Okay, now let me also break it down here. There are times that migrants need to apply for their long-term permits. Okay, there are documents you need from your country. Yes, there are documents you need from your country. For example, your criminal record, except people who have subsidiary and asilo politico, they don't need this thing from their country. They don't need nothing from their country. Okay, so if you are an ordinary migrant and then you have to go and apply for a long-term permit and then they ask you to go and bring your criminal record, there are a lot of people who forge it. Okay, so if you forge that document and then you bring it to Italy and then the investigation goes on, they find out that this document is a forgery and it is not original. Mind you, how can the Italian government know that the document that you took from your country is fake? That is point number one. Do not think that they don't have ways and means to know. There are a lot of ways and means to know. They have their embassy there, okay? They have their consulate in your country that can go on all over to get it. And remember, a consulate in another man's country is representing his government. So they can issue a protocol letter to your country or to the government or to the minister, whoever that is on board at that moment in your country, to give him a rightful check to let him know if this document is original. And then when they bring it out and say they find out it's fake, then they also bring it here in Italy that the document that this person brought is fake. This is our checkups. Okay, so before you know, they have already done their checkups and they will be here arresting you and they will sentence you to from 1 to 6 years, which is a very tough one. So my brothers and sisters, this is what the court is now issuing. In fact, the court has made it clear that it is already within their constitution that any foreign citizen who presents a fake identification or a fake document will be sentenced. Please, if you have done that before, pray you might not get there. Yes, because in Italy, nothing gets expired. Maybe you have applied for document long time, you have gotten it. There is going to be a time you want to go and renew it. That's when they will choose to investigate. A whole lot of things. You should know this already. So please, my brothers and sisters out there, stay out of fake information, fake documents, fake identities from your own country, thinking that they might not know. They have every right to investigate. They have every right, and ways of investigating is very simple. They will reach out to your country and pack all the information they needed. They will get it. You understand? That is how it is. That is how it works. So be very careful. Now let's go into down there and listen more of it. It says that the GIP notes in the referral that the Italian Criminal Code General provided for the lighter sentence in forgery cases for those who only use a document that has been falsified by others. According to the preliminary investigation judge, the harsh sentence for those who used a forged document provided by the immigration law alleged violated Article 3 of the Constitutional Handling and Educational Purpose for terms published by the Article 27 of the Constitutional Law. Debt expressed by plenary investigation judge unfound, says court. The Constitutional Court, however, ruled that the issue raised by the GIP was unfounded. In particular, it is said that the Constitution does not prevent the lawmaker from defining harsh punishment for forgeries committed in the relation to immigration, as they affect the interest of the state and ordinary management of immigration, it said. Secondly, the court observed that the simple use of a forged document to obtain a resident permit was not necessarily a less serious offense than falsifying the document itself. Presenting a forged document to the police in order to obtain a stay permit implies aiding and abetting the acting of forgery by providing a personal data to those who materially committed it. The TAP court notes, moreover, a stay permit is granted to a person who has no right to obtain it only when such document is presented to the authorities. So forging document is only a preparatory action ahead of the presentation to the police. It's ruled the immigration law does not violate the principle of equality nor principle of proportionality between the penalty and the criminal sanction, and a place to ensure that the person terms has educational purpose according to the Constitutional Court. So guys, this is what the Italian government, the Italian court is now going after. If you are an immigrant looking for a way to stay in this country, please, every document that you give it to the police or the immigration office should be something original. Do not do the fake one. Many people have fake date of birth that is not coming from their country, does not approve it. It is fake one. You can be arrested for that. Please listen. If you have your embassy here, okay, and you make and you do what do you call it, a birth set in your country, and you need to translate, okay, your embassy need to translate it for you. Sometimes you have to go straight to your embassy. When the birth set arrive, your embassy need to put their stamp on it to prove that it has been original from the country where you are coming from. And if it is fake, you can't take it there. Remember, because there are a code number on every birth certificate. There is code number there. So when they trace it and they find out it's not original, you can't go nowhere with it. Guys, let us be very careful and mindful of how we do things and think that they might not find out. It can be it can go against you. So guys, this is the information that I have for you out there. Thank you so much for watching Bright Future TV. Salute to you all. Wait for the next video that will come. Okay, here is Bright Future TV. All we do is to give you information, letting you know what is happening. It is all about immigration issues here. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Ciao.